if you want to sync your Starbucks card with your application, this is the way to do it. We're gonna open the app, and then this window is gonna show up. Then you're gonna click on Pay. Once you're in Pay, you're gonna click on Manage, and once you're there, we're gonna click on Add a Starbucks card. Click it, and then you're gonna see this window. So all the Starbucks cards look the same from the back. Like, you're just gonna look at the back of your card, and you're gonna add all the numbers that you see in that card. There's two rows. One row has 16 numbers, and the other one has 8 numbers. So on the first line here, you're gonna add the first row, which has 16 numbers, and once you're done with that, you're gonna add the other row from the bottom, which has 8 numbers. So just as an example, I'm just gonna add these random numbers, and then once you do that, you can tell up here that the word add changes color, as you can see right now. Look, that means that the card has all the numbers that it needs to be approved. So this is just an example, because as you can see, my card is already in my application. But if you have a new card, you can just do that, like add the numbers in the first row, second row, and then click on add, and then it's gonna sync automatically. So I'm just gonna click on cancel, because I already have it. I already have my card, which is this one. So if you add your card to your app, the system is gonna recognize your card. Like, if you see this card right here, I have the same card in plastic. I'm actually holding it right now, just in case I need it for this video, but it looks the same. If you have an orange one, it's gonna look orange. It's gonna be the same card. So yeah. So another advantage of having a card sync with your application is, like, whenever you have money in your card, you're gonna and if you pay with the app, which is this window, if you wanna pay, you just gotta show this code, and it's gonna scan, and then you're done. You pay. So once you pay, you're gonna collect stars, and if you collect 125 stars, you can get something free. Can be a drink, can be food. I recommend you to exchange it for food, because it's more expensive. And yeah, so if you want to see how many stars you have, you gotta click again on pay, and then the card is gonna slide down, and then you're gonna see your rewards up here. So I collected 7 times 125 stars. So right now I have 7 rewards. I can get 7 items from Starbucks for free. So yeah, that's one thing that, I mean, Starbucks makes you do that so you can spend more money on them, and they give you something free in return. But yeah, this is how it works. This is how you can add a card on your app. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links on the bottom on the description. Thank you.